I'm Dawn Forkenbrock with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to show you our new listing located in the popular community of Hastings Farms in Queen Creek, Arizona. This house has the best layout. Come on inside and I'll give you a tour. As you walk through the front door, you'll realize your new home search is over. This 3-bedroom home has the perfect open floor plan. The kitchen is gorgeous and has updated cabinetry, an island, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious owner suite features a walk-in closet, double sinks, and a walk-in shower. Located on the other side of the house are 2 more bedrooms, giving the property the split floor plan many people are looking for. Out in the backyard, you'll find the covered patio, beautiful grass area, and easy-to-maintain landscaping. Neighborhood amenities include walking paths, children's playgrounds, and basketball courts. You can find out more about this home and all my contact information online at dawnsellsazhomes.com.